all you need to get started are some pieces of wood. I like to paint them. I got my daughter, Budgeon, who's 3, to help me paint these. She painted this side. So some pieces of wood, some bits and bobs from around the garden. I've gathered some pieces that we can play with. Okay. Scissors, just in case we need to cut things up. A hot glue gun. Please get an adult to help you with that. While I was out today on the morning walk, I found some moss, some lovely fern. Oh, I got some of these acorn caps as well, and some sticks. I just found them on the ground on my walk, so I'll put them to the side. I also found some feathers, beautiful feathers from a pheasant, and again some more sticks just in case. So the first thing to do is to design your door. Where do you want the door handle? Do you want it to have a little window, maybe a chimney detail? So that's the first thing to do. Once you've decided what you want to do, go ahead and plug in your hot glue gun and let's get started. Yeah. So we're ready to go. The hot glue gun has heated up nicely. So let's go ahead and start decorating our door. I like to use bark for the roof. So pop that on there. Move it around and just see where you would think it would look the nicest. And once you're happy enough, get your hot glue gun, and again, get an adult to help you with this, as it's very hot. Have a little think about if you want to on the other side too. So make sure not to forget it. So we'll put some here. It's important to, when you're attaching your sticks, to see what the touch point is so you know where to put your glue. Okay, so you can see the touch point is up here and down here. Now that you have your door framed, sort of, I might put another stick here actually. Go ahead and have a look around from all sides. We might just fill in some extra pieces so that it can work from both sides. That side's pretty good. Right, let's put another stick here. Let's have a look. Maybe we could put a feather in behind it. I mean, this is totally up to your imagination, but it's definitely worth just playing around with your materials and seeing what you can come up with. I'm going to put a little feather here. Just here. What is that? Let's start adding the details. So I gathered some beautiful moss and a fern. Oops. I didn't pick this fern, it was already broken, so there's that. These, not many acorns down the garden at the moment because our squirrels, we've got 2 squirrels that I've seen 2 together, so I know there's at least 2. So they've been busy gathering all the nuts and all the acorns. Alright, so I thought this would be a cute little roof detail. Maybe like a chimney. Or like a little antenna. Works, so what doesn't. Don't worry about being able to see the little blue blobs because you can add the likes of like moss or whatever around it. That's going to be a little bit delicate, so I'm going to put some more, oh, see? I'm going to put some more glue around it. Stick some moss around it too. To have a little look around your door to see if there's any glue visible or any sort of gaps. That's what you want to use your moss to kind of help cover up. Alright? So, I like to use beds just to pop a little bit of glue on and then when the glue dries completely, any stringy bits of glue will just come right off. That's not a problem, so don't worry worry about that, okay? You just want to make sure that your house is nice and secure. So these little stringy bits, they just come right off. Not a bother. Not a bother. Yeah. So pop some glue on. Alright. And get your moss and pop it on there. Simple, simple, simple. Very effective. Look how cute that is already. We haven't even started. Very sweet. Okay, gather there. I would like to put some moss in the steeple. Nice big chunk in there. Okay, so lots of glue. Don't be shy. Alright. And pop your moss all the way into your little steeple. So cute. Let's have a look. Right in here. Maybe in there might be a good idea. Put a little bit of moss in there, will we? Just a little bit till we just see if it works. It's nice. That's nice and there now like that. Okay. And your fern. Always very sweet. What about the other side? Does the other side need anything? I think this side is quite okay. Might be a little gap in here that we might put something. Don't know. It's working very well. We could even take off a cap. Pop it up like as a window. There's no real sort of do's or don'ts here, guys. Just have fun, you know? Keep adding until you're happy with how it looks. And if you don't like how something looks, just oops, pull it off again, you know? All of these fairy doors are completely unique. Do be careful with the glue gun, guys. It is very hot. And just yet, when it dries, the stringy bits just fall off. It's very helpful. Alright, I think this is nearly done, honestly. I mean, I think that is so cute. Maybe a little bit, just a little bit more, just to give it a little bit of. Maybe in the bottom. I know, honestly, you could just keep going, really, but you're gonna have to say stop at some point. I don't know. When is too much? When is enough enough? I just don't know. I just think it's so cute. Yeah, and it just gives me joy to make these. I've got 2 little girls myself, you know, and they're just at the right age for magic and wonder and there you have it. I think there's just something missing with this one, honestly. Maybe a doorknob, do you think? So for a doorknob, what I like to use is the itty bitty little, I don't know if you can see it. They're so small. Small small little acorn that didn't quite grow. Okay, so again, very careful. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Alright, I think we're done. Let's have a look. Goodness. That's very sweet. Alright, there you go. I hope you liked this tutorial. Let me know in the comments. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Should we have a name for the fairy that lives here? Should we say a certain fairy lives here? Or should we leave it up to the kids? I don't know. Let me know what you think. I think it's just the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god. Alright, there you go. Fairy doors by Sarah. Yay! That's it. Simple as that. Little fairy doors. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Aren't they so cute? So cute. Oh, little girls would love these. Little boys and girls. Everybody in between. Look at that. Just full of fairy goodness. Alright. Thanks for joining me today. We'll talk to you soon.